Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a tier 2 Yaris here on a 2011 plate basically. So what I'm doing is I'm doing the rear stop lamp on this. Can you just switch the ignition on? Now press the brakes. Now as you can see, that there is working. This one's working. This one's not working. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace this. But I'll tell you which bulb it is in a second. So turn the, let go of the brakes. Now switch the position lamps on. Now as you can see, that there is working. This is working as well. Now press the brakes. Okay, so we've only got one side working and this side isn't. So this will be a 380 bulb, which is a double filament bulb. Let go of the brakes. Turn the light off. Now to do it, it's quite a simple procedure. So you've got a flat screwdriver. You wedge a screwdriver in there. Take the cover off. Once you take the cover off, then on the inside, so this is the one we're taking out. If you did want to do the other bulbs as well, you can do that at the same time. But this is the main one we're doing. So you twist that to your left and then pull the whole thing out. So basically, that's the bulb right there. So like I said to you, it is a double filament. So we're replacing that. Got the bulb here already. I'm just going to get the bulb out. Put the new bulb. So slot the new bulb in. There'll only be one way the bulb can go in as well, so there we go. That's it. Nope. That's it. I get the bulbs in now. So we're going to slot it back in. My hands are not greased up, so it's okay. If your hands are greased up, make sure you clean them before you touch the bulb. You slot it in and then you just find the locators pins and then click. There we go. Put the cover back on. The cover can go only one way, so you slot it through. So slot it through, clip and clip. Right, can you check the brakes? Ignition on. Now as you can see, that there is working and that one's working as well. Do it again. Brake. That's it, both are working. Now can you turn the lights on as well? And I press the brakes. Yep, that's all it is on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.